Hey, we've got some parachutes going on here. Yeah, we got a parachute on, guys. It's your boy, Bundin Downey, and we've got a lot of parachutes going on. 4th of July. We are doing fireworks tonight, but there was a fire that almost whole neighborhood had to come. There was a parachute that landed on my neighbor's house. We had to come get it. Yeah, there were a whole lot. I'm looking to see if I can see some wind turbines. There's some fireworks out there. Can't see them. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. It's your boy, and I will see you in a couple of days, I guess.